Once upon a time, in a lush, green rainforest, lived a quiet and gentle sloth named Sammy. Sammy was known for his slow, lazy movements, but he was loved by all the animals in the forest. One day, Sammy felt a strange sense of curiosity. He wanted to explore the forest and see the world at his own pace. So, he climbed down from his tree and began his slow-paced adventure. As he moved, he noticed the vibrant colors of the flowers, the chirping birds, and the rustling leaves. He met a shy rabbit who was scared of his slow pace, but Sammy reassured him, "There's no need to rush, my friend. Life is about enjoying the journey, not just reaching the destination." Next, he came across a fast-paced squirrel who mocked Sammy's slow speed. Sammy smiled and said, "Everyone has their own speed. Mine might be slow, but it's comfortable for me." Further down the path, he met a worried monkey who was late for an important meeting. Sammy offered to accompany him, and they reached the meeting on time, with Sammy's slow pace providing a relaxing journey. As the sun began to set, Sammy returned to his tree, happy and content. He realized that his slow-paced adventure had not only shown him the beauty of the forest, but also taught him the importance of being comfortable with who he was. From that day forward, Sammy continued his slow-paced adventures, spreading peace and patience to all the animals he met. And the forest, with its vibrant colors and chirping sounds, was a happier place because of him. The end.